In this tutorial, we're just going to explain the engine section of LockedOn and how this is only available to admin. If you are an admin user and you log into your LockedOn account, on the left-hand side, you will see the option called Engine. The Engine section of LockedOn is where all the settings for your agency and office are configured, such as letters, emails, templates, plans, drop-down items and tags that you can add clients to, and also setting up your portal push. The Engine section that we are currently looking at is only available to admin users. So if you are not an admin user, when you log into your account and you look on the left-hand side of the screen, you will not see the Engine option. If you would like to add a new plan, a new template, a new solicitor, set up portal push, or add some client tags, you will need to speak to your admin user and request that they add these for your office. This will mean that there are certain people inside the agency that control the setup of LockedOn. Restricting this access will mean that your LockedOn account will be kept neat and tidy and allow you to all have a uniformed approach to using your system.